Recently, she met Museveni, one of the women who was affected by Karuma Dam project. Met Museveni, they exchanged some words, but then seems like no proper development has come up for her. This woman now reveals that she only got 560,000 for the housing project, and this is a very big disappointment to her. She has expressed deep concern that the promises were not fulfilled, and moreover, she was in a yellow cloth. I think maybe sending a message that I'm also part of your party, that is NRM. That is just a prediction, not so sure, no forcing words into her mouth. But then, this is the original statement from her.
But we waited till when we saw the grader coming to grade off our building. And I had a 2-room house, that is with a mabati. But you know what happened? That house of mine I was given just 580,000 shillings. I could not make it. So these people up to now are not coming to see those who are for the settlement. We were 119, so far 20 of us has passed away.
The Karuma Dam project has affected many people and also have a lot of environmental concern, which that lady also expressed it. And I think the government needs to take keen interest and address those issues surrounding. If not, this could escalate into something that forces difficult condition, which is already happening to the community, but it should not escalate into severe conditions. Just like the Hamas, or a report from Israel has indicated that the leaders of Hezbollah was transferred from a very safe area to extremely safe area. The condition can also get from bad to extremely bad condition.